You can modify footnotes. However, to do that, you would go to References, Footnotes Group, click on the dialog box launcher, and all of your options for editing them will be in here. So for instance, instead of the bottom of the page, which is where they would default, you can choose below text. You can also change the layout of footnotes from 1 column to 2 column to 3 column and so on. You can change the format. Instead of it being 1, 2, 3, we can switch it to ABC, Roman numerals, and so on. You can choose a custom mark, so we would just click the symbol button and choose a different mark for the footnotes. We can also tell it which numbers to begin at, whether it be 1, 2, and we can tell it how we want the numbering to go. Continuous, restart at each section, restart at each page. And we can tell it to apply changes to the entire document, or you can just change one footnote at a time.